conversation, TikTok came up a lot, right? So I'm like, TikTok who? Like, but they're like, we really got to make sure these 14-year-olds know who you are. And I'm like, but they've all got mums. If everyone's making music for the TikTok, who's making the music for my generation?
TikTok has changed the way that we consume music. Let's talk about it. So before, back in the day, the way you heard a pop song was through the radio. Through the radio, you're just you're in a store and they're playing a hit song. And that's how you discover a new song. And I kid you not, I feel like that is obsolete now. I never discover new music anymore, right? I never discover new music through those traditional avenues. The way that I discover, and I think most millennials and Gen Zers discover music, and younger discover music, is through TikTok and Reels and YouTube Shorts. Because these songs that go viral and are typically from independent artists, and they'll get billions of views, billions with a B. And all of a sudden, this artist, this no-name artist that no one's ever heard of, isn't signed to a label, doesn't have anything, backing them. They just have like a low-quality music video, but they're getting more streams than the biggest artists that are backed by all these labels. And so it really shows. I just love what TikTok has done, because I know their agenda originally was always to create a creator middle class, to allow everyday people go viral, because that was the gap in the market. YouTube it was really hard to crack the YouTube code and blow on YouTube. It was really hard to crack Instagram and blow on Instagram, but TikTok has allowed people to blow, but also allowed people's music to trend in a way that it's completely taken over traditional media routes, radio and all of that. I don't listen to the radio. I know some people do. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. It really pushes this video out in the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. This video is brought to you by mintedculture.com, where you can watch all of my content. Brand Video Pro, The Ken Mo Show, Stream OVG, and Stream OVG Business. All my content in one place. Head on over to mintedculture.com. And you can also book a one-on-one strategy call with me, where we can go through business, media, entrepreneurship, Web3, the metaverse, and how to dominate in this new media landscape. So if you guys want to book a consultation, a one-on-one consultation with me, with yours truly, head on over to mintedculture.com. All right, let's get into this. I guess people discover music through playlists, right? Spotify playlists. And I'm sure, especially younger people or everyday people, listen to playlists. I don't do that. I only discover songs through TikTok and through Reels, Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. And I just have to say, I think right now, it just shows that you don't need a record label anymore. You don't need a record deal if you want to have the most popular song on the internet. You don't need a record deal. And so I think that somebody, and I said this in another video, somebody needs to create some sort of infrastructure, right, that turns these viral TikTok songs into NFTs and allows these artists to generate income from that NFT. So you can let these independent artists earn money that way. And I'm sure as soon as they go viral, everybody's contacting them. Labels are contacting them. Their people are giving them money, all of that stuff. I'm sure a lot of that stuff is happening. But I think that independent artistry is the new way that things are going to move. And I think somebody needs to create that infrastructure to make it easy, create a music marketplace that makes it easy. I think it needs to be like TikTok that does this. It really does need to be TikTok. Allows us on TikTok to purchase the NFT of the viral song. TikTok, I hope you're listening. You guys need to do this. This will change the game. And if it's not TikTok, it has to be, or Instagram. Instagram should do it. Somebody needs to do this. YouTube needs to do it. They all should just do it. And therefore, when something goes viral and there are a certain amount of NFTs available, these artists can now eat off of that. Those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenem, and see you next time. Peace.